Ever felt like something's watching you in Minecraft, even when you're totally alone? Today, we're diving into the unsettling world of Minecraft creepypastas and figuring out if those spooky stories could actually be hiding a sliver of truth. First, let's talk about Herobrine, the granddaddy of all Minecraft myths. The legend says he's a ghostly figure, sometimes with blank white eyes, that silently stalks players, alters the world, and generally messes with your game. Mojang has officially denied Herobrine's existence numerous times, even including playful Herobrine removed lines in update logs. However, the community's fascination lives on. Next, we have a whole host of other creepy theories. Think abandoned builds that don't make sense, strange sounds echoing in empty caves, or even your game acting strangely, with no mods installed. The reality, most of these experiences are likely caused by game glitches, mods gone wrong, or simply your imagination running wild. However, the creepypastas tap into a deeper fear, the fear of the unknown, and the feeling that something is out there, just beyond our understanding of the game. So, are Minecraft creepypastas real? Probably not in the literal sense. But the chilling stories are a fantastic way to experience Minecraft in a whole new way. What are some of your favorite creepypasta stories? Let me know in the comments, and if you are feeling brave, tell me your own strange Minecraft experiences.